the banking industry has been flipped on its head in the last 12 months.
Oh, yeah.
Now, all of a sudden, they changed the rules. They moved the goalpost.
Yeah.
And now it's like, hey, how do you find that happy medium? So I always encourage entrepreneurs when they do look at it like, hey, I used to be able to do this all the time. I used to be able to do this. And now the covenants are 10 times more. They have all of these other criteria they didn't have 12 months ago. And I go, look, the banking industry is not in a good spot right now. And so they're not wanting to make more loans. They're wanting to make less, and they want top tier risk. So in order for them to take risk, you have to be top tier from a credit standpoint, from a liquidity standpoint, also from a processing and servicing and making it easy and knowing that the reputation's there. And this is the biggest bitch I have against banks.
Yep.
And I've talked to a lot of lenders, a lot of bank presidents, a lot of deals. And this is the problem, like the magic curtain of backroom BS that you have.
The magic curtain, you don't actually know.
You don't actually know what's inside of a loan committee and how they do that. And so it is a real thing for concentration limits inside of different sectors. And that is one thing everybody's got to wrap their head around is because you could have the perfect project, but if they're not doing CRE and they're not doing ground up construction and commercial real estate, they're not going to bank you no matter how good your project is. We're counseling more business owners to not stay at one bank. We're counseling business owners.
Which is kind of opposite of what you were told for 15, 20 years.
You're just waiting for them to pull the rug out from under you, and then you have no recourse. And so go and get 3 banks day one.
Exactly right.
My biggest advice, do not rest on one bank limit.
But I think, again, what a lot of entrepreneurs, business owners understand is when you don't need to be an expert, but if you could just grasp a little more of the moving parts of this whole financial world, it'll just better help position you to make decisions, be organized, and so forth.